In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-converting Shopify product page. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your online store, having a well-optimized product page is crucial for turning browsers into buyers. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to make your Shopify product page stand out and drive more sales. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to the products section on your dashboard. Look for the option that says Add Product and click on it. This is where the magic begins. The first thing you'll do is enter your product title. Make sure it's clear and highlights the main benefit your product offers. This is crucial as the title is often the first thing potential customers will notice. Next, you want to upload high-quality images or videos of your product. Visuals are key to grabbing attention and building trust, so ensure that your media is crisp, well-lit, and shows your product from multiple angles. If you have a video, even better. Videos can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. Now, it's time to write your product description. Start with a short, engaging introduction that hooks the reader. Follow this up with bullet points that outline your product's features and benefits. This format makes it easy for customers to digest the information quickly. Including an FAQ section is also a great idea. Address common questions and concerns to save your customers time and reassure them about their purchase. Moving on, you need to set your pricing. Enter the product's price and consider adding a compare it price to highlight any discounts or promotions. This can create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to take advantage of the savings. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or other variations, make sure to add these variants. This not only enhances the shopping experience, but also ensures customers can find exactly what they're looking for without any hassle. Trust is a huge factor in online shopping, so the next step is to add trust elements to your product page. Include customer reviews or testimonials to show social proof. Display any guarantees you offer, such as a money-back guarantee, to reduce customer hesitation. Additionally, provide clear shipping information. Let your customers know how long it will take for their order to arrive and if there are any shipping costs involved. And there you have it. You've successfully created a high-converting Shopify product page. By following these steps, you'll not only make your product page more appealing, but also boost your chances of turning visitors into loyal customers. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online store. Happy selling!